Hello everyone, how are you? So today I will discuss about the string wave, right? So just right here string wave, and there are various example, various numericals based on string wave in JEE Mains also and JEE Advanced also and NEET exam also. Okay. So see one thing, oscillation and string wave and sound wave. There are three inter correlated subject actually, right? So first, string wave. I want to tell you. First, note down definition of string wave, right? And see one thing. You have already observed that phenomena. Suppose we have a string, right? This is a string, right? And suppose this is along x-axis, and this end point I have already fixed. Okay. Now here I want to disturb the particles of a string. So due to this, you will observe this type of wave pulse. Understood what I am telling? Suppose this is string present. Understood? And this end point already I have fixed it. Correct? This is already fixed. And suppose I want to check this string, so you will observe this type of wave pulse. What is this wave pulse? This is actually disturbance. Okay. So right here, first definition of wave. It is disturbance. It is disturbance from equilibrium position. It is disturbance from equilibrium position which travels it means, suppose I want to check this string, suppose I want to oscillate this string, suppose I want to disturb the particles of a string. So due to this, you will observe wave pulse, right? What is wave pulse? This is disturbance of particles, right? See one thing, I have already told in oscillation. In case of oscillation, only one particle will oscillate. What is meaning of one particle oscillate? It means in case of oscillation, only one particle will be present, and if we will provide energy, so due to this energy, particle wants to move, means anywhere, and due to this, you will observe the oscillation of particle. And finally, actually, oscillation means actually simple harmonic motion. I have already told this means concept. Here I want to tell you, in a string wave there are many particles present, not only one particles present, right? So if there are many particles present and all particles are moving, all particles are present, and if I will provide energy, so due to this energy, all particles wants to oscillate, and due to this, finally we will observe a wave pulse. What is wave pulse? This is actually disturbance of particle from mean position. So right here one thing, particle don't travel, right? Particle will not travel, particle never travel, only particle will oscillate. Energy will travel from one point to another point. Understood? So right here, and yes, see, there are two types of wave. First is mechanical wave and second is non-mechanical wave. What is mechanical wave? Actually, see, in case of mechanical wave, we can write definition of mechanical wave here. Mechanical wave, just write definition of mechanical wave here. Energy means which requires a medium. What is mechanical wave? Which requires a medium. Suppose I am telling here, right? And suppose all students are listening my voice. So how can you listen my voice? How can you hear my voice? See, actually there are many air particles present inside my mouth, like that. Understood? And due to this, means due to my internal energy, I want to disturb that air particles, and there are many air particles present, right? So that air particle will oscillate, and due to this disturbance of this air particle, next air particle will oscillate, and this will happen sequence series.